fear to drop back into the wheel pose, then this video is perfect for you. I'm going to show some of the tips you need to follow to drop back to the wheel pose. Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri Yogini. In today's video we are going to learn how to drop into the Chakrasana or into the wheel pose. This movement is one of the inspiring and impressive movement which everyone wants to learn into their yoga practice, especially in Ashtanga. When you follow the Ashtanga series, if you want to move to the intermediate, then this is one of the basic movement you need to learn. There will be lots of things you need to follow while you are practicing this. The main thing is your flexibility on your back. Then the very important thing is strength on your legs. The legs plays in a very important with your back, the coordination of the strength and the flexibility where you can learn this dropping back into the wheel pose. Let's begin into this movement. Just follow simple tips and simple movement. You need to practice regularly, then you got out how to do this falling back into the wheel pose. Let's begin our practice. For that you need to warm up your back, for example doing some back stretches like that. Then this is one of the easier way for you to do it. Let's begin. Recently we got the silver play button. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for each and everyone's support. This is all yours guys. Thank you for each and everyone subscribers who have supported us to reach till now, and we want support like this. Let's grow together, and yeah, thank you so much once again. So if you want to learn dropping back to Chakrasana, I suggest you to do first Chakrasana on the floor. There is already video on that. Please do check out. The link is down on the description box. Let's begin. For performing Chakrasana, little wide your legs hip width apart. We are going to do some movement, placing the both palms on the hip, rolling the shoulders, raising the chest. You need to squeeze your elbows to each other by tightening your shoulders, and arch back, head up, and movement, front and back movement. So this is very important movement where you get a proper stretch on your abdominal muscles and the thighs, because when you perform this back bending, it's very important to give a stretch on your abdominal muscles, because if you have a tight abdominal muscles, then always the back bending is one of the difficult and challenging, I can say. Once you are able to do this movement, just lock your shoulders this way and let's bend back as much as possible with bending the knees. While you are bending the knees, focus on pushing the hip forward and pressing your shoulders back. Lock yourself and raising the chest, pushing your hip forward, raising your neck, bend back. With control, weight on your legs, just do a movement. This is one of the best movement where you can learn controlling your weight. Here dropping back is nothing but balancing your weight, controlling your weight on your legs are very important. Once you are able to do this, just join your palms in Namaste, bend back, then stretch your arms and back to Samasthiti. Bend back and back to Samasthiti. Like that, let's make a movement. Here, breathe plays a very important role. Don't hold your breath. Inhale and bend back, exhaling down, and inhaling come up and exhaling forward movement. Joining the palms, pushing the hip forward, rolling the shoulders back, chest raise, pushing up, neck stretch and bend back. Stretch, forward, back. Like this. You can make a movement for 10 to 5 times. It's up to you, according to your strength, according to your time, you can do this. Once you can able to control your body in this movement, then I can show you some of the movement you can do with the wall support. It's very important and it's also mandatory, I can say. It's very most important if you want to learn dropping. Here with the wall support, take a one arm distance, got it? Take a one arm proper distance to you and the wall, turning out the foot same way, rolling up, raising the chest, bend back. Once you bend back, just extend your arms, stretch your elbow straight and walk back. Slowly come up and relax. This is one of the simple and best technique you can try to practice into your drop back. In case if you feel difficult or if you are facing struggle to coming back from wall down Chakrasana, I suggest you to drop there down itself. Don't force yourself because you want lots of strength on your legs, especially on your thighs and the glute. So that's the main cause why you are facing a difficulty to coming back from Chakrasana. Do one by one, step by steply, then this will be an easy one, I can say. You can try this with the wall and you can try even the same thing with the sofa or chair also. It's up to you. It's up to your practice. Keep on practice. If you want to learn any of asana, it may be advanced or easy, just you need to focus on practice. That's it. Thing most of students do mistake is bringing their hands like this. Bending up, I'll show you once. Like this they bring. As they bend, they will stretch the hands. As they coming back, they will bend the hand and leg brings like this. That's totally wrong. Wait, I'll show you. Why you need it like this? There is no actual grip or balance on your legs. If you try bringing the hands like this, automatically you will drop your knees down. Automatically you will get hurt. So it's very important for you to stretching the hands how you went back. Same way come up. Got it? Now let's try to get down as much as possible with the control of your hands. So with the control of your legs. If you want more control and the grip, I suggest you to turn your foot outward, the toes pointing side. That's one of the grip or best way for you to control and balance your body. And bend back. And come up. Bend back. Come up. One more time. This is how you can learn doing it. If you are okay, if you have a self-confidence, then from standing position only, raise the hands up and drop back. I'll show you. Completely dropping back. Okay, let's see. Raise the hands up. Once you raise your chest, push your hip forward, pressing your arm back and up. In this position, same way, get down. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Just follow the simple steps, simple method which will going to help you up, and I'll be back with soon how to come back from Chakrasana, and I'll show you a simple techniques. Let's see soon on the video. Namaste. Be happy. Let's practice yoga. Be happy always. Namaste. Take care.